In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So the first thing you need to do is to put your keyboard in pairing mode. So you can flip over. Most keyboards will have a power button and a Bluetooth pairing button at the back. So you may want to press once to turn it on or off. But if you want it to enter pairing mode, simply you can press and hold that particular button until that LED starts flashing rapidly like that. That's how you should know that your Bluetooth keyboard is now in pairing mode. So once it enters pairing mode, go to settings on your phone, select Bluetooth, and with Bluetooth turned on, you should see your keyboard detected there. So all you have to do now is tap on that keyboard. And then for my particular keyboard, it's going to ask me to input this code and type and click on enter so that it can accept that pairing request. So I'll enter that particular code on my keyboard. So 204941, then tap on enter. Once I tap enter, it's going to connect my keyboard to my OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So now I can go back and enter or use my keyboard to enter data on this. So type something, then tap on enter, and as you can see, my keyboard works on my phone. Now I'll link this particular keyboard down below if you may be interested in it. But that's basically how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Questions and comments down below. Like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.